Hello, this is Dr. Demchenko, a sports doctor and osteopath, and today I will tell you how to very well and easily restore clogged muscles and pump up your arms and core a little. To do this, we will use a foam roller or just a roller. This is such a self-massage thing that can be used to massage the muscles of the legs and back. If you scored your legs well, then you can not immediately run to the masseur, but take such a wonderful thing. What do we do with it next? In order to stretch the muscles with the help of a foam roller, you need to put the muscle on the foam roller. Stretch it a little by bending the knee and slowly roll back and forth. If it hurts too much, and it can be too painful when the muscles are heavily clogged, then you can put the second leg on the support in order to reduce the pressure on the muscle. How much do I need to roll? For example, we spend 15 to 20 seconds on each muscle. If we are very much clogged and painful, then you can spend up to 1.5 to 2 minutes on each muscle. There are such zones in the muscle that are especially painful. When you are in such a zone, you can find it and hang on the foot roller a little at this point or knead it a little. A very good light feeling arises after that, as if you went for a massage. Now I will show you a small set of how to stretch your legs after a good intensive workout, which includes the lower extremities. Usually I start with the foot. For this I need to get up a little pressure on the foot roller and roll the foot. If the foot is painful, then we give it a little more time, up to 30 seconds. I will now show the complex on one side. When you do not forget the second leg. After kneading the foot, we will go up a little and mash the calf. We install the foam roller on the calf muscle, slightly above the Achilles tendon, in order not to roll along the tendon. The tendon will not be better from this, and it will only hurt you. As you remember, the muscle needs to be stretched a little, so we take the sock a little on ourselves, lift the ass and roll. If it seems too easy to you, you can lift your leg and roll on one leg. You reduce the number of support points, increase the weight on the muscle. But the most important thing is that your arms and core muscles are also actively involved. After such a rollout, it is already possible to exclude push-ups and the bar. The next muscle will be the anterior tibial muscle. It is very often clogged in runners and roller skaters. In order to get on it, I pull the sock back and roll on the roller. If it's too difficult, you can put your foot out. The back surface of the thigh will be next. Roll the roller a little higher. You do not need to roll under the knee crease. A little higher and roll the thigh. Again, if it's too easy, you can lift the other leg here. Next, we will roll back the lateral surface of the leg, the wide fascia of the thigh. Strain the shock of the fascia of the thigh. A complex version and a simplified version. Where do I need to get to? Be sure to roll to the end of the leg, in fact to the wing of the pelvis, because there are very important muscles here, such as the mid-gluteal muscle, which also needs to be kneaded. Next, we will stretch the rectus femoris or quadriceps. This is a very important muscle for the health of the knees. In order to roll it out in a complex version, choose the maximum number of support points and roll it. If you want to simplify, you can put 2 quadriceps at once and roll them. Next, we will roll out the inner surface of the thigh. It happens that it is quite painful, so you probably start with more points of support. Here is a simple option in this way. And for those who want a little hardcore, you can tear off the leg, and this is done literally on the hands and on the inner surface of the thigh. Next come the buttocks. In order to roll out the buttocks, you need to sit on a foam roller and cross your legs. Well, this kind of rolling, by the way, can be quite painful. And finally, we can stretch our back a little. To knead the lower back, it is very important to keep the press turned on so that the lower back does not bend upwards. We turn on the press and roll the foam roller. Do not allow such a deflection on the background of the roller. In total, such a workout should take 15 to 20 minutes. After rolling out on the foam roller, you will feel that your hands have worked well, your abs have worked well, and your legs are perfectly stretched. Thank you all. Have a good recovery.